Gautama said, when you're really hungry, when you badly need food, if you give away your food to somebody else, you will become stronger, not weaker. No logical human being would accept such nonsense, but it's 100% truth. If you know how to give away that which matters most to you at a certain moment, it leaves you enormously capable, enormously strong, not weak. To have that strength to give away what matters to you is not a small strength, it's a tremendous strength, isn't it? To give away things which don't matter to you, that means nothing. To give away that which matters most to you is everything, isn't it? Right now, what matters most to you is yourself, of course, isn't it? You say, no, my child, my husband, my wife, it's not true. What matters most to you is yourself, isn't it? If you can give yourself up, if you can just throw yourself into something, not because it is going to buy you a ticket to heaven, not because you will realize mukti out of it, not because of anything, simply to give away.